here's a quick word from the sponsor of this segment, PCBWay. PCBWay is a one-stop shop that offers a full range of services that basically turns your idea into physical reality. If you need PCB manufacturing services, CNC machining, injection molding, or even 3D printing, you should check out PCBWay. As simple as drop in your file like this and a few selections here and there, you're about 90% done. If you have a concept and you want to further improve your project, PCBWay offers the services to work with you for product design, fabrication of prototypes, or even smaller bulk production, up until your logistics solutions. PCBWay prides themselves for their cost-effective shipping capabilities that can guarantee to deliver your product anytime, anywhere. And what's more is that PCBWay can provide expedited processing at a highly competitive price. Currently, PCBWay is having a big Christmas sale with a huge collection of exciting deals, and you can even find the services for less than half a cent. So go ahead and visit the link down in my description box to know more about the services that they offer. So with all of that out of the way, I'm gonna keep quiet now and let's go back to the video.